Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do today is study my math because I have a test tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just done studying math, and now I'm gonna get some breakfast. Let's go. I'm a third I'm a side better. I'm a homemaker. Give it up, give it up, give it up. I'll keep your best interest. I'll keep your best interest. I'll keep your best interest. I was going to show you the game in the next scene, but I just want to thank this guy, the game dev underscore, because I don't know how to load levels, to go to the next level. So thank you for helping me with this. Shout out to him. I'm the side nigga, I gotta sneak up on the high with you. I wanna see you give me 5 minutes. Paparazzi probably got like 5 pictures. I won't tell anyone. It's our secret. Top of the morning like yeehaw. I took my shot, this is beat ball. Nigga, the team you play for is seesaw. So I know that it's fake when I see y'all. Don't wanna fuck what you got up. I will never blow your spot up. I know my place, I'm the landlord. I carry the weight to my hand, so this is what my game reached. I still can't load the other level. I don't know why, but I'm gonna try it in tomorrow's devlog if I have time for it. And a special thanks to the gamer dev, I think the game dev. I will link his channel below. So thank you for watching, and I see you hopefully tomorrow. Peace.